Good day everyone, my name is Devin. I'm from Land Rover Expeditions Namibia. This is our rig, but today we're not going to talk about the Land Rover in specific. We have something here in the back that might be of interest of some of you. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing and a small review of this bad boy here. This is the SnoMaster low profile. It's a 92.5 liters dual zone fridge, and we've purchased it about 3 days ago for our expeditions in Namibia in specific, and this is what we came up with. Okay, so every SnoMaster fridge that you purchase from them comes with this very nice insulated carry case. It's nice, has nice padding, has tough zips. If you open this up, just a disclaimer, I have not been sponsored in any way by SnoMaster. This is my personal fridge, and we have purchased it for about 15,000 Namibian dollars. That's roughly about 1,000 US. So if you open this, very nice detailed latches. On this side we have the 51.2 liters. This is the larger compartment of the two. Inside you have the cable for the 220 volt. In Namibia we have these types of plugs. And then also you have this for the lighter plug for your 12 volts. In this bag you have solar powered temperature controller for both dual zones. As you can see there, it also has a built-in torch. It is solar powered, so if you put it in the sun, you can charge during the day. Speed, the backlights, everything you can just change from the remote. Important enough, you have the user and instruction manual. This is very important. I did read the first part lightly, and in here it states that you can set the compressor for a certain voltage. If it goes below a certain voltage, you can switch off the compressor so that you don't drain your battery completely. And also you have, as standard with all SnoMaster fridges, this nice bottle opener. We go to the left side. This is the 41 liter compartment. In here you can see there's nice baskets for organizing your stuff if you want to go on long trips. And also both of these fridges, both of these compartments can either be used as a fridge or a freezer, or freezer, fridge, both fridge or both freezers. So this is very nice from SnoMaster. And I did watch another video about someone that tested these SnoMasters against the Engel and also the Dometic fridges. I'll leave the link in the description so you can see how fast these SnoMasters actually cool down. So for now, just reach it there. Close this lid, and this is the first time that I am actually going to plug this thing in. I hope I get the correct socket. Okay, so this is the Anderson plug. Goes into say. Looks like that's. Oh, it switched on. Okay, let's see if the controller is working. It needs to be charged. Oh, it's an on and off switch. Okay, let's see here. So now the ambient temperature, as you can see here, for the first compartment it's 25 degrees, and for the second one it's 26 degrees. and you can see I'm about using the input is about 11.4 volts. So let me just set that one minus 18. That one 4 degrees. I'll set it at 11.8. Okay, so I think I have set the first zone for that, second zone for that, the minimum voltage. Okay, speed, high speed. I wanted high speed. Oh, it's cooling here. And also a nice feature that I just realized about the remote, it's magnetic. Just ignore the sound of the car, and because I had to start the car, it was not giving a lot of voltage. This is due to the Land Rover doesn't have a 12 volt system yet, auxiliary 12 volt system. That's to come in the future videos. So we'll just have a quick look at how fast this temperature will drop. I hope it's quickly. Speed. So I think a complete unboxing should have the person doing the unboxing it completely, because it looks like I have done an improper job here. Throw that away. Oh, that's also the warning. If the door is open for a too elongated period of time and it drops to about 2 or 3 degrees Celsius, then it also warns you, so that you have to close the latch. It's very clever. So we'll just give it a minute to quickly cool down, I suppose, and then going to put some frozen goodies in it, see how long it keeps it cool. And also the other thing, I have quite a small personal opinion. These SnoMasters, every fridge that you buy from SnoMaster only has one socket for the power input. This is only a personal opinion. I know my father has one that is 40 liters and the plug sits in front. For some occasions that's alright, but in my personal opinion I would like to have 2 points of inlet power. I am sure there's a reason why there's only one, but this is maybe a suggestion for SnoMaster. And if you know why there's only one plug, then just leave it in the comments below. I'll check it out. And if SnoMaster is also watching this and there's a reason for that, you can also let me know. But if you haven't thought of it yet, please do, because my lighter plug is here in the Land Rover. This is normal for all Land Rovers, but the fitting is here, and for me fitting this big fridge inside of my Land Rover, it's quite difficult to see here. Okay. Oh, guys are checking out. Right, so these are some frozen fish that we've just purchased, and I'm going to pop it in there. Oh, it's already starting to get cool. Okay, so we'll keep the timer on for approximately how long this fridge takes to cool down. I see the freezing department is already 20 degrees Celsius. I believe this will take longer in a car 220 volts. I believe so. So let's just check it out. Okay. Okay, so on this remote I have checked it and it's been about 10 minutes. It has gone down from an ambient temperature of 27 degrees. On the freezing side it's now 5 degrees Celsius, and on the refrigerator side it has now dropped to 12 degrees Celsius. So this is my quick review on the SnoMaster 92.5 liter dual zone fridge. I'm actually quite pleased with it. It's very durable, made of high quality materials, and the insulated bag and all of the accessories that comes with it makes it, in my opinion, the best buy you can get now on the market. It's the best value fridge in my opinion. So if there are any suggestions or something you don't understand or might want to ask about this fridge or our channel in particular, this is our first review on this channel, so please leave a comment, like and subscribe if you want to see more. We will be traveling in Namibia in our Land Rover as time goes by. We try to do it every weekend. So hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers.